this beautiful, so ever popular Cleopatra headdress. We are going to use a necklace, metal headband, all broken headband, chain, and cardboard or a book cover. Our tools are scissors, paper clippers, thread and needle, especially if it's very thick. You don't need to have a lot of skills, we just need to put things together. To start, I'm going to be removing this cannot get in here, it's too narrow, so I'm going to be removing. Probably you need to do this one, depends on the type of your jewelry you're going to be using. Alright, already removed this one, now it's perfect. Okay, I just need to remove two of these. Next step, after I remove it, the chain in here and couple of chain in here, we are going to measure the size of our piece. So I'm just going to clip in here. Okay, like this. Okay, already done. Now I'm going to cut. Make a little round so it's not going to be too sharp. So now the next step is we are going to sew around to the headband. It's going to be nice and easy. I will start for the middle, so it's going to be straight in here, right? Pass to the other side. You don't need to have big skills, you just need to know to sew. Well, I already did the sewing here. Next step is we are going to put our headpiece in this, and we're going to secure with the clips. Need to be adjusted to the headband. So at this point you can use hot glue, but I will not suggest because it will be so messy and you will ruin. But some people will love to use. It's up to you guys, may come fall off. I prefer to sew, it's better secure. I'm going to sew this one, but for the stick to do more faster, I already did another. It's not perfect. Well, first I did in the top and the sides. That's all what I did. I will do later a little bit more sewing if required, but for now we're going to do the rest. Okay, to finish this gorgeous piece we are going to decorate. Now we have a lot of options. Okay, oops, all right, I could be using this one, but I will use another one because this has silver and black. This will look nice, will look amazing here, but I will use the blue one. So I will be using for the sides this chain I already cut I will put through the necklace. Has already a hole in here. Need to open a little bit. I'm going to put this one first. Okay. Okay, it's already closed. Same thing for another side. So simple. You just need to. The hard part was the sewing, I think. Alright, this is done. It's time to try on our creation. We'll see. Wow. I need to sew a little bit in here. Look amazing to me. Imagine with your costume, we make a band. This is going to be so cool. My girls will love it. Well, I need to finish doing mine. If you like it, this one, you can have another ideas with another one. Well, for myself, I'm going to be using this beautiful piece, which I find it in a op shop, in a charity shop. I'm going to decorate very nicely with these pieces of this old necklace. I think it's going to be amazing. I'm going to be using a hot glue. Well, let's start it. Okay. Press firmly. So I will be covering this. I don't like the color, so I will be putting here. Be careful to not burn yourself. Oops. So now I want to have this color on everywhere. Probably I will put in here, here. I don't know where they look nice. So then I have this couple of earrings. I will put in the sides. This has already holes, so we just need to it's getting on that. It's getting gorgeous. So I'm going to be covering the sides here. I don't know. Well, first in the top. One more here, I think. I have a few, so I don't know. Not many. One more. This was okay. It's having it's getting on that shiny color. Thinking on one side, Yeah, I think I will put in here also, or just in here, not too. Yeah, I will put in this. What? One side, yeah. Look good to me. Ooh. So, which I'm not going to try to put in the top of this one because I want this to move. So better to stick in one side. So keep moving there nicely. I have two more. Maybe if I put around like that, oh yeah, like that would be cool. Yeah, it would be amazing. Two more. So we'll see. I like it. Well, my Cleopatra headdress is already dry. I'm not going to put anything else in there. For me it's fine. Just need to remove the hot glue. I'm gonna try them. Okay. Oh my god, look amazing. Well, I love it. Oh my goodness. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment, and please subscribe, and see you in the next. Bye, and have a beautiful Halloween. I'm going to be wearing this one.